Hey guys, Tara here, and I have some really exciting stuff to share with you today. I just got this giant package from our friends at Red Pitaya, and I'm gonna be opening it with you guys. So just some background on Red Pitaya. They're known as the STEM Lab Swiss Army knife for engineers. This is because their boards are like multifunctional lab instruments, so they can be used as oscilloscopes, signal generators, logic analyzers, and a lot more. So I finally got everything out of the box, and the board came in this really cute little box that says STEM Lab on it. So you guys are probably wondering what the board looks like. I really like this board. This is really cool because it's smaller than other boards, I think. It's like, you can see in comparison to my hand, it's like smaller than my hand, and I have really small hands. But there's so much stuff on it, so I don't think that size is gonna be an issue here. There's these little connections, and it came with little screws that we can add on. I'm not entirely sure what this is for yet, but once I get started with the board, I'll let you guys know. It screws on really, really nicely, so hopefully that works out. Okay, where to next? So I also got this really cute case to go with it. So this is gonna protect my board, which is super helpful because I am a klutz. So if I drop my board, this right here, this will protect it for sure. So it kind of closes it like this, and you can put the board inside. Right now it doesn't look like the board would fit inside because there's this centerpiece, but it looks like it's removable. So I'll show you guys what it looks like once I get that case on. Next we have these little guys. I think it's probably for when we use the board to do things like work as an oscilloscope, because when I open it, I don't know if you can see that, but it comes with like a clamp, a small little clamp. So there's like a ton of these in here. So it's gonna be really, really cool. I think these are different adapters to use for plugging it into the wall. Fun fact, Red Pitaya is located in Slovenia. So I've been patiently waiting for this international overnight shipping. Not overnight, this international shipping. I wish it was overnight, but it was honestly really, really quick. So I was really pleased with that. Now we have our female and male connections. It's so pretty with the rainbow colors, and I think it should fit pretty nicely on the board. I did this earlier, yeah, ooh. It should fit pretty nicely on the board. So I just attached it to one of the ports, and then you can use these to connect to whatever you're using. And I have this adapter. I think this is the cable so I can connect it to the router once I'm ready to start my coding. And what else came in here? Oh yes, we have a micro SD card in here. So I was so excited to get started with my board that I forgot to show you guys this 5-volt power supply that comes in the box as well. This is basically just gonna allow us to have a power connection to our board when we get started. I cannot wait to get started with my board, and stay tuned for the next video because we'll be showing you guys how to start and kind of get started with this board. So yeah, thanks for tuning in.